Hello students, in the previous lecture video we have already discussed about the detailed estimate of two items of Hume pipe culvert. First one was the earthworking excavation and the second one was cement concrete work. In today's lecture video we shall discuss about the detailed estimate part of first class brickwork, cement pointing work and lastly the fixation of Hume pipe. Okay. So the first item of today's class, that is the first class brickwork. So let's see the plan and the sectional elevation in order to find out where the brickwork is actually done. See students, the brickwork will be done in the face wall portion, in the wing wall region, in the turn wall region, and of course the brickwork will be done in the parapet region and over it the coping region. So in these portions you have to do the brickwork. If you see the longitudinal section, you can see very clearly that there is a footing of 50 centimeter width. Below the face wall there is a footing of 50 centimeter width. Here the brickwork is to be done and over it in the face wall which is having 40 centimeter breadth. So there also brickwork is to be done. If you see the cross section of wing wall which is comprising of a breadth of 50 centimeter, above a breadth of 40 centimeter is present and above that a breadth of 30 centimeter of a wing wall is present. So in the table, the particulars of items you have to mention the first class brickwork, and first it is to be done in the face wall region where the footing is having 50 centimeter breadth. In the plan you can see that from this portion to this portion the breadth is 50 centimeter, and in this 50 centimeter breadth of footing first brickwork is to be done, and its length is from this point to this point. So up to this point to this point, this length is already given 3.8 meter, and this dotted portion, this gap is 10 centimeter. So 3.8 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 which is equals to, so the length of the footing having breadth 50 centimeter is 4 meter. Then the breadth is 50 centimeter. Then what's its height? If you see the longitudinal section, for the 50 centimeter breadth of footing, the height is mentioned here as 50 centimeter. So that is exactly how the table is filled. The number of footings is 2 because the number of face walls are 2, and the length we have already found out to be 4 meter. The breadth is 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter, and the height is 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter. So if you multiply 2 into 4 into 0.5 into 0.5, you are going to get 2 cubic meter. So the next brickwork is to be done in the face wall region which is having a breadth of 40 centimeter. The breadth is 40 centimeter and this height is 1.6 meter. And what is its length? Its length would be from here to here, which is 3.8 meter, already mentioned in the plan. So the number is filled as 2, length as 3.8 meter, breadth as 0.4 meter, and the height as 1.6 meter. And the quantity is calculated as 2 into 3.8 into 0.4 into 1.6, which is equals to 4.86 cubic meter. Next, the brickwork is to be done in the parapet region. The parapet is having a breadth of 30 centimeter and its height is 30 centimeter. Let's find out its length. So the 30 centimeter breadth is from here to here, and its length would be from this point to this point, which is given in the plan as 3.8 meter. So the values are put in the table. So the number would be 2, as there are 2 number of parapets, the length 3.8, width 0.3 and height 0.3 meter, and the quantity is calculated as 2 into 3.8 into 0.3 into 0.3, which is equals to 0.68 cubic meter. Next, the brickwork is done in the coping region. So in the coping region, the breadth is given here as 35 centimeter and its height as 10 centimeter. It is given in the longitudinal section. The length of coping is from this point to this point, so which is nothing but 3.8 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, which is equals to 4 meter. So it is mentioned in the table the number as 2 number of coping, length as 4 meter, width as 0.35 meter and height as 0.1 meter, and the quantity is calculated as 0.28 cubic meter. Then next, the brickwork is done in the wing wall region. So if you see the cross section, the wing wall is having 3 portions. The bottommost layer is having a breadth of 50 centimeter, above it the breadth is 40 centimeter, above which the breadth is 30 centimeter. So first the brickwork is to be done in the 50 centimeter breadth of wing wall. In the 50 centimeter breadth of wing wall, which is having a length of 1.1 meter shown in the plan, first the brickwork is to be done. Okay, so length is 1.1 meter, breadth is 0.5 meter, and this portion of wing wall is inclined. See, this portion is a inclined portion. So we have to take the average height here. So if we fill the table, we will fill it as the number of wing walls having 50 centimeter breadth is 4, the length is 1.1 meter, breadth is 0.5 meter, and the height would be average height, 0.5 plus 0 divided by 2. So if we calculate the quantity, it would be 0.55 cubic meter. Next portion of wing wall, which is having a breadth of 40 centimeter, it comprises of 2 portions, one inclined portion and another one straight portion. So first let us see the brickwork for the straight portion, which is having a height of 30 centimeter, width is 40 centimeter, and the length is 1.8 meter. Number is 4, length is 1.8 meter, width is 0.4 meter, height is 0.3 meter, and the quantity is calculated as 0.86 cubic meter. Then for the sloping portion, the length would be 1.8 meter, breadth would be 0.4 meter, but since this is a sloping portion, so we have to take the average height. So the height would be 0.4 plus 0 divided by 2. See, the length is 1.8 meter, breadth is 0.4 meter, and the average height is taken, and the quantity is calculated as 0.58 cubic meter. In the third step of wing wall, which is having a breadth of 30 centimeter, we have to take average height as it is having inclined portion. So the height would be 0.7 plus 0 divided by 2, and its length would be 1.8 plus 0.1 equals to 1.9 meter. So the length is 1.9 meter, width is 0.3 meter, and average height is taken, and the quantity is calculated as 0.8 cubic meter. Then next, the brickwork is done in the turn wall portion. The turn wall is having 2 portions. In one portion the breadth is 40 centimeter and another portion the breadth is 30 centimeter. Here if you see, here the breadth is 30 centimeter and here the breadth is 40 centimeter. For 40 centimeter breadth of turn wall, we have to calculate the average length. So this length is given here 80 centimeter, and then we have to calculate the length from this portion to this portion. So this length would be 75 centimeter. So we have to take the average length. The breadth is 40 centimeter and the height is 50 centimeter. So the average length is written here 0.8 plus 0.75 divided by 2. The breadth is 0.4 and the height is 0.5, and the quantity is calculated as 0.62 cubic meter. the turn wall which is having a breadth of 30 centimeter, the average length would be 0.8 plus 0.7 divided by 2, and its height would be 0.3 meter. The table is filled as the number as 4. Average length is calculated, the breadth is 0.3, height is 0.3, and the quantity is 0.27 cubic meter. And the total quantity is, if you add all the quantities of first class brickwork, then it would be 11.49 cubic meter. Then next we shall discuss about the cement pointing work. First, the pointing work is done at the face walls of outer sides. So there are two number of face walls. The outer side length is 3.1, and we have to find out its height, and the height for pointing work would be from this point to up to this point, and this height would be 160 minus 20 centimeter, which is equals to 140 centimeter or 1.4 meter. The quantity is calculated as 2 into 3.1 into 1.4, which is equal to 8.68 square meter. Then the pointing work is done in the face wall parapet outer side. The length on the outer side would be 3.8 meter, whereas the height would be 20 plus 30 plus 10, along with the projection of the coping, which is 5 centimeter. As you can see here, the breadth is 35 centimeter and here the breadth is 30 centimeter. So the projection is of 5 centimeter. So 20 plus 30 plus 10 plus 5, which is equals to 65 centimeter or 0.65 meter. And the quantity is calculated as 4.94 square meter. Then parapet inner face. So there are two number of parapets. The length would be 3.8 meter, and the height of parapet from inner side is 70 centimeter or 0.7 meter. So the quantity is calculated as 2 into 3.8 into 0.7 is equals to 5.32 square meter. Then next cement pointing work is done in the wing walls vertical face. So on the vertical face, the length is 2.3 meter, and we have to take the average height here. So the average height would be from this point to this point, it is 140 centimeter, and this straight portion, the height of wing wall is 50 centimeter. So we have to take the average height. So 1.4 plus 0.5 divided by 2. So this quantity is calculated as 8.74 square meter. And then the cement pointing work is done on the top of wing wall. So 4 number of wing walls, length is 2.3 on the vertical face, and the top width, if you see the cross section, then the top width is 30 centimeter. So we take the top width as 0.3 meter. So the quantity is calculated as 2.76 square meter. Then next, the cement pointing work is done in the turn wall vertical face. So in the turn wall vertical face, the length is 70 plus 30 plus 80, which is equals to 180 centimeter. We have to take the entire perimeter, and the height for the breadth of 30 centimeter of turn wall is 30 centimeter. So number is 4, length is 1.8 and height is 0.3. So the quantity would be 2.16 square meter. For the cement pointing work on the top of turn wall, we have to take the average length. So 0.8 plus 0.7 divided by 2, and the breadth is 0.3 meter, and the quantity is calculated as 0.9 square meter, and the total quantity is 33.5 square meter. Then next, the last work is the fixation of Hume pipe. So 3 number of pipes are provided, 1, 2 and 3, and the length of the pipe, see, from this point to this point it is 10 meter, but some portion of pipe are also embedded within the face wall so that it can be held tightly. This portion is 40 centimeter. So the pipe is embedded from this point to this point. So 10 meter plus 0.4 plus 0.4, which is equals to 10.8 meter. And the total quantity of the Hume pipe is 32.4 meter. So with this we have finished the detailed estimate of Hume pipe culvert. Thank you students. If you have got any doubts, you can ask me.